Hello everyone, welcome to Math Express. In this video, we are going to learn about absolute value of a number. And here are the objectives. Number 1, define and explain what an absolute value is. Number 2, illustrate the distance between a given number and 0 on a number line. And number 3, apply the concepts of absolute value in dealing real-life problems. Okay, so these are our objectives. Now, let me ask you some questions first. Okay, question number 1. Why do we need to study numbers? Is it relevant to our daily lives? Ano ba kaya sa palagay ninyo ang kahalagahan ng numbers sa buhay natin? Question number 2. Can you narrate a short story where you encounter different numbers? Mag-isip tayo ng isang pangyayari na gumamit tayo ng numbers. Okay, let us explore this given situation. One day, as I was walking towards home from my school, I bought a burger that cost 10 pesos and juice that cost 5 pesos. I gave the store owner my 20 peso bill for the payment, and he gave me back 5 pesos as my change. Now, here is a question. How to represent the money spent into numbers? Paano nga ba natin ito bigyan ng representation? Okay, maaari natin itong i-represent gamit ang integers. Pero, ano naman ang mga integers? Integers, a set of numbers comprising the negative numbers, 0, and positive numbers, also known as the signed numbers. A set of integers can be shown using a number line. This number line can be extended indefinitely towards both directions so as the numbers on it. So, hindi ibig sabihin kung hanggang ilan lang ang inyong nakikita dito sa ating number line ay dito na nagtatapos ang numbers. You can extend it further. Depende sa kailangan natin for a specific problem. Okay, now that we know these integers, let us take its value. Shall we say its absolute value? But how to get the absolute values of these numbers? Absolute value is the distance between a number and 0 on the number line and is denoted by 2 bars. Okay, let us study this illustration. Let us take negative 8 at kunin natin ang kanyang distance mula kay 0. Paano? Bilangin lang natin kung ilang units away si negative 8 mula kay 0. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, negative 8 is 8 units away from 0. Ngayon naman, kunin natin ang positive 8. Ganun pa rin ang ating gagawin. Let's count how many units away is positive 8 from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, positive 8 is also 8 units away from 0. Now, what did you notice? Tama! Ang distance ng negative 8 at positive 8 from 0 is the same. Therefore, the absolute value of negative 8 is 8. And the absolute value of positive 8 is also 8. Now, let us have more examples. Okay, first example. What is the absolute value of negative 6? So, let us locate negative 6 on the number line. Then, let us count how many units away is negative 6 from 0. So, negative 6 is 6 units away from 0. Therefore, the absolute value of negative 6 is 6. Next example. What is the absolute value of 7? So again, ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin. Hanapin natin ang 7 sa ating number line. At pagkatapos, bilangin natin kung ilang units away si positive 7 from 0. Okay. So, 7 is 7 units away from 0. Therefore, the absolute value of positive 7 is 7. Third example. What is the absolute value of 4? So, let's have the same process. Hanapin natin ang 4 sa number line. Then, count the number of units. So, the absolute value of 4 is equal to 4. Last example. What is the absolute value of negative 4? So, ganun pa rin ang ating gagawin. Hanapin natin si negative 4 dito sa ating number line. And then, count how many units away is negative 4 from 0. So, negative 4 is 4 units away from 0. Therefore, the absolute value of negative 4 is 4. Okay, so that is it for the absolute value of a number. This is Ma'am Valye for Math Express. Thank you for watching.